welcome to Fluffy Jet Productions. Here is Lewis Hamilton. Lewis Hamilton represents Great Britain at the World Grand Prix. Lewis is named after and voiced by the real British Formula One driver Lewis Hamilton. Lewis is modelled after a McLaren MP412C GT3. Thanks to everyone for watching, and please don't forget to rate, share, comment, favourite and subscribe.
I was telling the truth. I was just wearing a disguise. You guys are stuck